Welcome to the AI prompt engineer. Today I am going to build a calculator, just a basic calculator using Python and ChatGPT. So let's type build a basic calculator using Python and ChatGPT and Tkinter, where the calculation is in GI form and perform basic calculation on click on buttons. So let's see, ChatGPT is giving us a code of Python and Tkinter. So I hope in a one go we will get the result, or let's see either we will get any error or not. So yeah, the code is start printing. So let's see, and for all these kind of videos to learn more about prompt engineers, make sure that you follow the channel. So and also always prefer to read these notes. It will help you to more update your functionalities in advance. So just copy the code, go to VS Code editor, and in paste it in app.py and save it, and then go to the terminal and run it. And let's see, we are getting the result or some error. I'm hoping that we will get a result. So just wait and watch. It is taking a bit time. So we are getting a GUI or not? Yeah, yo man, we are getting a basic calculator GUI. So let's hope it will work as well. As as you see how quickly we get a just a basic calculator which will work as a calculator completely. Just click on the buttons, type anything, perform operations. Like as you see, even negative values we are able to do anything, perform these operations, as we are getting the result -7 plus 7 0. Suppose perform some multiplication, as you see 25 plus 25 and click on is equal to. So yeah, this is working like a calculator. So as you see how quickly we get the whole code of calculator using chat gpt. Only we have to take care of all those libraries which are modules which are involved in this code. Otherwise everything is okay. So hit the like and subscribe and follow the channel for more such awesome tutorials, and you will get to learn a lot, and it will boost your own career and your own knowledge. So yeah, you also must try this by building your own personal calculator, and let's see either you are getting the required output or not. Thank you and have a nice day.